Okay, so one more sum for the same LPP problem. It's really important. It was asked in our MBA. So, marketing department of Everest company has collected information of a problem of advertising for its products. So, it's a sum where advertisement plays vital role. This relates to advertising media available, the number of families expected to be reached within alternative, the cost per advertisement and maximum availability of each medium of the expected exposure of each one is measured and given in a table. So most important thing, what is the table? It shows like if you give advertisement in TV, how many number of families are covered, what is cost per ad, what is maximum time we can give the ad, and what is exposure. Same way radio, same way Sunday edition, same day magazine. This is a basic information given. Over the information requirement, the first important thing they have given that the budget of an advertisement is only 70,000. So yes, we have approx budget of 70,000. Yes, one more important constraint has been given, at least 40,000 families should be covered. So yes, this is most important. No, once advertisement is there, minimum 40,000 people should see it. And yes, at least two insertions be given in Sunday edition and of a daily, but not more than 4 advertisement should be given on a TV. So there is two different restrictions given. Minimum 2 insertions is given in Sunday edition, and yes, you cannot give more than 4 ads in a TV. So this way we need to formulate it. So now question comes, what is our Z constraint? So always remember, you need to think out of the box. Like if you are doing advertisement, what is a more important thing? Exposure of that advertisement. So your Z constraint is exposure. So like for example, if you give ad in TV, 80 people will see. If you give radio, 20 people will listen. If you give in a Sunday edition, 50 people will, and yes, read. And if you give in a magazine, 60 people will read. So this is a exposure. We want to maximize our exposure. So that's why this is our Z constraint, where you can find here 80x1 plus 20x2 plus 50x3 plus 60x4. That is, we are trying to maximize our exposure. We are trying to maximize our exposure. So yes, our Z constraint is found. Now we will write a subjective constraint. So what is our subjective first constraint? First thing, our budget. So cost is most important. Yes, so write down, obviously this is our x1, this is our x2, this is our x3 and this is our x4. So we will make our cost of it. So cost constraint is very simple. So 8000 x1 plus 3000 x2 plus 4000 x3 plus 3000 x4 should be less than equal to 70,000. Maximum we can use 70,000. We cannot use more than that. And yes, the second constraint is like 40,000 families should be covered. So this is like less, minimum 40,000 should see your ad. So yes, this is your this constraint, 3,000, 7,000, 5,000, 2,000. So 3,000 x1 plus 7,000 x2 plus 5,000 x3 plus 2,000 x4. Yes, minimum. So yes, less than equal to constraint to 40,000. I think 2 STC is completed. Now yes, most important thing, your x1, x2, x3, x4, how much we have. This is your also third constraint, but all the constraints are written in a separate manner. So yes, TV is x1, x1 should be less than equal to 8. Same way, x2 is less than equal to 30, x3 is less than equal to 4 and x4 is less than equal to 2. This is your available constraint. Moving towards more important, read this line, at least 2 insertions should be given in Sunday edition. So here we will also write x3 because Sunday edition is our x3. So 2 is minimum. So x3 is greater than less than equal to 2. And more important, the second constraint is TV ad should not be more than 4. So here again we are changing it, set x1 should be less than equal to 4, and last one is non-zero constraint, that is x1, x2, x3 and x4 is greater than 0 or the value of this variable is above 0. So this way you can solve the sum. Thank you students.